Finding the bad actors who fleece the government and taxpayers of tens of billions of pesos through anomalous projects inside the slammer is one thing. Getting the money they stole sooner than later is another riddle Ombudsman Jesus Crispin Remulla is mulling to crack or figure out, beginning with seeking help from the Sandigan Bayan on how to exploit its revised guidelines on expediting the prosecution of corruption cases, as our Isaiah Mirafuentes reports.
The Office of the Ombudsman will begin the preliminary investigation into the flood control project anomaly. According to Ombudsman Jesus Crispin Remulla, 6 cases will immediately be placed under investigation this week. These cases were obtained from the investigation in Oriental Mindoro by ICI and in Bulacan by DOJ.
Hindi pa ito nangyayari sa talambuhay ng Pilipinas na bilang isang republika na ganitong uring kabalastugan ang nanaig sa flood control project. Napakalaking pera ang nawala dito at napakasakit yan sa bawat Pilipino.
The Ombudsman is also studying how to recover the funds misused by corrupt officials. They asserted that these officials should not only be imprisoned but also be made to return what they stole.
Kasi kung aabutin din tayo ng taon-taon na sa paghahabla, mabuti nang makuha na ng bayan yung dapat isauli. Yun naman ang talagang mahalaga. Pero, siyempre, yung mga dapat parusahan, paparusahan pa rin.
The Ombudsman remains firm in its commitment to investigate the anomalies in the flood control project, not only in one city but across the entire country. They also warned that lawmakers with conflicts of interest will not be spared. Around 70 officials could possibly face charges in connection with the issue.
Para madala ang tao, hindi na umulit, at mamili na kung magnenegosyo o maglilingkod. Hindi pwedeng sabay.
The Ombudsman will coordinate with the Sandigan Bayan regarding its recent decision to revise its guidelines on corruption investigation. Based on information from the Sandigan Bayan, there will be changes in the process to expedite investigations and ensure accountability. Isaiah Mirafuentes from the National TV Network for a New and Better Philippines.